All right, problem 10. This one's multiple choice, so maybe that might make it quicker. Maybe it's just going to confuse us. I don't know. Figured I mentioned that. So this is another, you've got a point, and your line needs to pass through that point. Except this time, it's got to be parallel to this given line. So whenever you're dealing with parallel or perpendicular, you need to know the slope of the line they tell you. So got 5x plus y equals 6. I'm interested in just y equals. So I've got y equals 6 minus 5x. The slope of this line is the number, including the sign, including that sign. It's the number next to x. So it will be minus 5. Okay? So I know the line that will be parallel to that, right? The line that will be parallel to that needs to have the same slope. Okay? So if I take that information and I go to my multiple choice, my answer must have a slope of negative 5. So if I look at answer choice 1, the slope is 1/5. That can't be right. If I look at answer choice 2, okay, that's got a negative 5 for a slope, but there's some other thing that I haven't dealt with. I haven't dealt with that passing through that point. So let's move on. The next one's got the 1/5 slope, so I can also rule that out. And then the last one's got that minus 5. So it's a question of which one is it. So I know my line, y equals mx plus b, it has to have a slope of minus 5. Okay? It's got to have a slope of minus 5. And it needs to possess this point, 5 comma 3. So for my y value, 3 is my y value. All right? And my x value is positive 5. Okay, and that's got to be b. So if I solve this equation, that's going to tell me my y-intercept, my b value. And I can kind of compare that to the two remaining choices to figure out which one is the real answer. So let's just simplify this. Right? Negative 5 times positive 5 is negative 25 plus b. I want to solve for b, so I got to get rid of that negative 25 to the opposite. And I can see 28 is my y-intercept. It's a positive 28. Right? It's got to be the positive one. It can't be that negative. Right? So my answer choice would be number 2.